Okay, YouTube, this is my second video, and the one I'm going to be making today is on the ResMed S9. The issue that I had is I bought the NuClean unit and I connected it to my S9, but I forgot when I went on the road, when I took my machine, the ResMed flip lid seal for the humidifier. And so what happens is when you do that, you get a leak. Let me see if I can turn this video around so you can see. And then what happens is eventually the machine just shuts off because there's no seal here. So what I came up with was the following. It's not going to allow you to use your humidifier, but it at least will allow you to use your machine with pressure. So if you go to the back of the machine here, you have this button. You push this, the machine separates, right? And then if you take off your connector hose, you see that there's another spot here that you can attach this to. Now it's not going to connect, it's not going to stay firm, but at least it'll go on like that. And then what you can do if you want is you can use some sort of a bandana or something just to kind of tie it in place there, so it'll if I go like this, and then I just kind of tie this around like that, that'll just keep the hose on firm. But then when you push the button, when you press the button, it goes on, and I have pressure in my hose, and I'll be able to use the sleep apnea machine all night without the humidifier. So I hope this helps people. Thanks. Bye.